Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to stop automatic renewals and avoid future billing. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Adobe website. Log in using your Adobe ID and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Account. Step 3. Go to the Plans section to view your active Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Step 4. Click Manage Plan next to your subscription to see available options. Step 5. Select Cancel Plan to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Adobe may offer you a discount or suggest an alternative plan. If you still want to cancel, click Continue with Cancellation. Step 7. Confirm the cancellation by following the on-screen instructions. Be aware that you may be charged an early termination fee if you cancel before your contract period ends. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Adobe, verifying that your subscription has been cancelled. Keep this email for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.